The weight of a high-end gaming computer tells you everything you need to know before you even cut the tape. Lifting this massive, well-protected crate onto the desk is a workout in itself. Once those thick foam inserts are out of the way, you see exactly where that weight comes from. This particular white version of the machine looks incredibly sharp and clean. It has a modern aesthetic that manages to be aggressive without screaming for attention in a tacky way. When you peer through the glass, you see a masterclass in cable management. Most people who build their own systems struggle to keep things this tidy. You can see the liquid cooling system ready to go, the glowing fans, and that beefy graphics card taking center stage. It is a plug-and-play experience. It makes the old days of struggling with motherboard pins feel like a distant memory. You just attach the antennas and plug in the power. You are ready to fly. This rig is built for more than just looking pretty on a desk. Under the hood, we are dealing with some of the most powerful hardware on the market right now. You might be running a top-tier 8-core processor from the red team or a high-performance chip from the blue team. Either way, the speed is undeniable. This machine is paired with a graphics card that handles high-resolution gaming with ease. It targets that sweet spot of 1440p gaming. You can crank the settings to ultra on almost any modern title and just watch the frames fly. If you want to jump into a massive open-world role-playing game, it works perfectly. It handles fast-paced competitive shooters without breaking a sweat. Even some light gaming in 4K is on the table if you use those smart upscaling features that modern cards provide. But it is not just a tool for gamers. If you are someone who creates content, this is where the value really starts to show. Having 16 or 32 gigabytes of the fastest modern memory makes a massive difference. You can have a dozen tabs open, run a heavy video editing project, and keep a live stream going all at once. The solid-state drive is incredibly fast. The operating system feels snappy and games load in the blink of an eye. There are a few things to keep in mind though. The design is premium and the cooling is top-notch, but the price reflects that quality. This is not exactly a budget-friendly entry point into gaming. You are paying for the convenience of someone else doing the hard work and providing a professional warranty. Some versions only come with 16 gigabytes of memory, which might feel a little tight if you are a heavy multitasker. I would personally aim for the higher memory configuration to really let that processor breathe. It is a solid choice for someone who wants the best performance without the headache of a custom build. It earns a high 9 out of 10 for its balance of beauty and raw power. It delivers on its promises right out of the box. The cooling system keeps everything quiet even when the fans are spinning fast during a heavy session. You can feel the cold air moving through the chassis, which is exactly what you want when pushing high frame rates. It is an investment in your setup that pays off in sheer reliability. Every detail feels intentional. From the placement of the intake fans to the way it works the moment you hit the power button. This level of polish is what sets a premium pre-built apart. It feels sturdy, looks sophisticated, and performs like a dream. Whether you are battling in a digital arena or rendering a complex three-dimensional scene, the hardware responds instantly. That responsiveness is the hallmark of a machine that has been tuned for excellence. It is hard to find many faults when the execution is this consistent.